A lightweight fifth wheel hitch that doesn't sacrifice strength? That can't exist, or can it? The CURT Crosswing is just that hitch. The CURT Crosswing is only 70 pounds, which is 65% lighter than most fifth wheel hitches. This makes it easier for one person to hook up and get on the road. But don't let its lightweight status fool you. It's made from premium steel that gives a 20,000 pound weight capacity. Its reinforced head gives a solid connection point that'll keep your trailer secure, and getting the kingpin into the place is no issue, with the head channel that will guide you where you need to go. There's a lot more visible contact surface which lets you see exactly what you're doing. Not only is the CURT Crosswing practical and easy to use, it has some features packed into it that make it stand out. The articulating head is great for hooking up and driving on uneven surfaces, and CURT has added their shock drop technology to give a smoother ride while minimizing jerking and jarring. There are 3 points of height adjustment to accommodate different trailers and situations, and the ergonomic handle is easy to reach and easy to use. The CURT Crosswing can also be used over most standard height gooseneck balls. If you're interested in purchasing the CURT Crosswing fifth wheel hitch, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator either on screen or in the description below. Be sure to check back for more new videos weekly, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.